Good morning. My name is Pensri, Techasiripaiboon. Today I'm very pleased to be here. On behalf of a representative of TrueMove, I'm gonna introduce our new service we call TrueMove Control Center. Before we get through the control center, I would like to show you the trend of industry. Okay, here. The industry trend, just for traditional business, we focus on the products, the hardware sales. But if you want to survive in the market or compete to the market, you have to change yourself and you have to do differentiation. You have to make the value added on your product and services. That's why now the hardware business is turning to service business. And try to imagine if all your back-end process and business system is real-time and automated, how do you get the advantage more than your competitors? See, just for the service business, the collection hardware is you can collect the data information of your user. That's why you can utilize this to develop new service. Finally, it brings continuous and stable incomes to your organization. I think that is the point that the customer needs it, right? Okay. Here, now the expert. I think you ever heard the Internet of Things. Okay, the Internet of Things, what is it? The analyst predicted that by the year of 2020, more than 30 billion objects will be connected to the internet. How that it affect to your life or to your business? You try to imagine our life will be easier and more convenient, right? And how about your effort to your business? Your business will be planned in advance, and that's why you can save the cost and time. So I would like you to see the next page, the Internet of Things. So the Internet of Things is not about things, it's about the services. So let's see next page. Okay, for the traditional business or currently, the product business is about sales and disconnect. You can get the one-time revenue and manual operation. With the service business, you can get the connected data, and then you can get the recurring revenue, and the system is automated. See, I would like you to imagine if all objects will be connected, and then just you can see the information in advance, and you can plan the thing in advance to set your business policy, something like that. Okay. Here is the heart of matter. Here is the heart of subject today. We call the control center. Is our new product, TrueMove Control Center. What is it? Okay, try to imagine that is the currently you have device connect to the mobile operator, and you have the back-end process, just like manufacturing, sales process, HR, human resources, customer support, something like that, which is separately managed, but is separately with the control center. It is the tools to connect all things to be together, and you will get the real-time information and automate that. That is easy for your plan and for your work. And there are three functions in the control center. They are deploy, manage, and monetize. What is it? And they can support they can support you. You can see and set the policy of each device, so you can limit and save the cost and time. And you can diagnose what is the problem, and you can resolve this problem with yourself with the automated system. and also for the monetize, we expand globally. That's why you can expand your business in at one time.
Okay.
Here, that is the work, just very easy because the Internet of Things or TrueMove Edge Control Center is the tool to connect all things together. What is your customer? Okay, if you use our TrueMove Edge Control Center, what is your customer? I think you want to know, right? Okay. The customer value, our TrueMove Edge Control Center is automation, because our feature is set and forget automation of entire IoT, Internet of Things service life cycle. So it's easily to configuration to fit to your business with zero touch afterward. It's very, very easy, and you just set and forget, just don't to just for the existing system. That's why you will get the fastest time to market and lower total cost, and also seamless customer experience. The second function of our control center is intelligence. This system is real-time network intelligence and diagnostic restore for performance. It's continuously monitoring of changing of network conditions and usage condition. That is your value. You will get the higher service reliability. You will get the superior customer services, and also lower customer support costs. That is the thing that you want, right? And the last one is global, because we integrated more than 20 groups globally, and you can implement once and switch on your service in more than 100 countries. That's why you will get the faster revenue growth. That is the customer value of when you use our TrueMove Edge Control Center. Now it's time to demonstrate the working of customer control center. I will show you. It's very easy because you can connect to the website.
Okay.
The website. When you just you key in your username and log on to the passwords, you will see this page. This page which we show the platform of control center. The control center, we have many functions. The first page that you can see is logistic. Okay, I will log on to logistic. What is logistic? Okay. Logistic is the function or platform that shows the status of your all current device or SIM. And you can manage them and adjust the usage of them, of every single user. That's why you can cut off the unexpected costs. Okay, see the snapshot of this graph. Okay, this graph or this snapshot will show the activated, the SIM test, the test ready, or activation ready, or activated. Okay, it's very easy to see. And for the box on the right side, show the status of test ready. The test ready mean that okay, you will give your customer or user for testing, right? And it means that you cannot collect the bill. You cannot collect the bill because it is free of charge. That's why but with the logistic platform, you can manage them. You can manage you can adjust the limitation of usage amount. That's why you can cut off the unexpected cost from the date of arrival. Mhm. And when just after test ready, the SIM will be changed to activation ready. At this stage, you cannot also collect the bill until the SIM has already been activated. You can collect the bill. That's why, okay, if you see this feature, you can manage and adjust the amount of usage, and you can cut off the unexpected costs. Okay, the second demonstration is the inventory management platform. Okay, what is it? And we can support your organization or your business. Let's see. I click on to the inventory platform. Here you will see many columns. Just for example, you can see the date added. It means that, okay, when you just activate or deactivate SIM, you can put on this data. It will show. And then you can see the month to date usage. It shows the amount of usage of every single SIM. And this column is show SIM status. This is the number of that every single SIM. And it shows red pans of each SIM. And also it shows the activated date. You will know that, okay, when it's activated, it's too long or it's too short. You can manage them and adjust them to suit for your business. For example, and also for the month-to-date usage, you can sort out your data from min to max or max to min. For example, you click on this button, you will see, okay, it's this from min to max. Or you can, if you click another one, it sort out of max to min. What is it? What is the useful? What is the benefits of this column? You will see and analyze which data which SIM is use the excess data, use the excess usage, so you can adjust them to less and minimize for your business. And also all this, and also for this SIM status, it show, just for example, it's the SIM status show deactivate, it means right now the SIM deactivate, and link to the session is show no status. And also for this platform, you can export this data by clicking this button export, and then all data will be exported to the Excel file, so you can manage them as the report.
Okay.
How about this? How about our presentation? Just right now, I'm very pleased to be here and make the presentation, and I'm very appreciate if you can get some idea from my presentation.
Okay.
All of this, I believe our TrueMove Edge Control Center is the tool for your organization to maximize your profit and make your operation to be automated and real time. That's why it shows you can get the benefits than other competitors. And next time I would like to be here again to discuss more information and solve the solution for your company. Thank you.
Oh, it's very good. Thank you very much.